Are you a diehard sports comedy fan, longing for a new feel-good series after Ted Lasso's enchantment? Well, let me whisk you away to a world where star power meets humor, and hold tight. Because today's story is about an unexpected hero ready to steal the limelight. Well, let's think of your kids. Meet Glen Powell, the Hollywood sensation from Top Gun, and a sports-loving newcomer who's about to hit the fictional pitch with a show called Chad Powers. This Hulu gem is a spin-off, inspired by a memorable ESPN Plus sketch, merging sports and comedy in a way that might just make Ted Lasso fans swoon. And Glen takes on the role of Russ Holliday, a character who starts as a disgraced football quarterback turned unlikely coach. Transplanting Sudeikis' charm to a new quarterback-turned-coach, Powell's character is set to bring laughter and growth in a heartwarming underdog tale. Glasgow the Showroan, anyone? And while the prospect of a fourth Ted Lasso season sparks curiosity, it might be time to embrace this next iteration, preserving the sports comedy magic without feeling like a cheap sequel. Glen Powell's portrayal could capture the essence of Ted Lasso without trying to be a carbon copy, setting his show apart with a distinct personality. So subscribers and loyal Ted Lasso fans, do you think it's time for a fresh cheer in your streaming routine? Prepare for a new heartwarming adventure, but might rival and even surpass the best moments of the original series. And remember, comedy is an ever-evolving game where a good laugh is the only constant, including a short joke. How about a stolen playbook filled with chuckles? And in the end, the world of sports comedies has a new hero, and the stage is set for Chad Powell. With that said, thanks for joining the fun, and make sure that let's see where this ride takes us next time. Came on. Shridal Shatsa Jim.